When building an online course, you will likely need to invest in a website, email marketing software, a learning management system, LMS, payment processors, and many other automations. Kajabi is an all-in-one content marketing system that provides a unified platform for people and organizations to sell, market, and distribute product content. Kajabi offers consumers a complete yet user-friendly content marketing solution that includes adjustable themes, a landing page builder, video hosting, integrated payments, and an interactive in-course message board. With Kajabi, users can create digital products such as online courses, membership sites, and training portals efficiently and effectively. In order to build engaging and visually appealing product content, users can create customizable themes, add file downloads, stream videos, and upload images and audio. Users can also combine all of their items onto one website with a single login and an integrated blog to help them gain subscribers. Further to digital content creation, Kajabi facilitates sales, marketing, and customer engagement. Since Kajabi integrates with Stripe, users can receive straightforward electronic payments. To simplify marketing strategies, Kajabi enables users to build custom forms and landing pages easily. Users can also send email broadcasts and then track their performance with Kajabi's email analytics. Kajabi supports a number of built-in integrations with applications such as Mailchimp, Infusionsoft, and Google Analytics, enabling users to manage their online products and share their digital content seamlessly. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Kajabi review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Kajabi. What does Kajabi really do? Kajabi is an elite one-stop shop software for selling online courses. It's an all-in-one content and marketing platform that enables users to craft, market, distribute, and get paid for their custom classes without having to switch to other programs. With Kajabi, it is very easy to create, market, and grow online courses, membership sites, and coaching programs. They also provide other tools like a website builder, payment gateway, email marketing, a mobile app, and pre-built templates. Kajabi helps creators and entrepreneurs build successful online businesses by providing simple solutions to turn their passions, skills, and experiences into diverse revenue streams. Kajabi allows marketing organizations to automate, optimize, and scale business operations using automation triggers to deliver personalized experiences for audiences. The platform allows managers to examine user forecasts, reports, client progress, and more. Businesses can also grow, manage, and reach out to their subscribers with personalized emails that include videos, automation, countdown clocks, and other tools. Kajabi aims to simplify the process of building an online course by creating a centralized location to facilitate each component. Benefits and key features of Kajabi. Some of the benefits and unique features of Kajabi includes 1. Professional course creation with Kajabi AI. Kajabi integrates AI to create attractive and professional courses, course outlines, lesson content, and landing page copy. It also incorporates various content formats such as videos, text, and handouts, which gets your course up and running faster and more efficiently. 2. Extensive array of customizable themes. Users appreciate the flexibility of selecting different themes in Kajabi, allowing them to customize the appearance of their courses according to their specific needs and branding. 3. Multiple program management. This enables effective organization of content and provides different levels of access to the audience, making the managing of online courses more effective. 4. Simplified payment processes. Kajabi's integrations with PayPal and Stripe make it easy to collect payments for your hard work. You can also manage more complex automations like subscription and payment plans or accept one-time payments for products. If you are hosting a sale, you can offer coupons, bundle pricing, or create limited-time offers with seasonal discounts. 5. Sales and marketing automation. With Kajabi, you can create sales funnels quickly with ready-made, automated, and fully scalable funnels that you can use for lead generation, webinars, and product launches. 6. Email marketing to boost engagement rate. You can use Kajabi's in-house email marketing platform or integrate with email service providers. You can also track key metrics such as open rates, bounce rates, and click-through rates. 7. Sales pages and website builder. Kajabi has a lot of unique templates that can help you build distinctive websites and sales pages. You can also make squeeze pages, opt-in pages, and thank you pages. With Kajabi's website builder, all you would need to do is change the text, photos, and colors to match your brand to build a new web page. 8. Detailed analytics and reporting. Kajabi helps you easily track metrics like opt-ins, revenue, referrals, subscriber engagement, and much more to identify which strategy delivers the best results. This provides insights into your funnel and page performance, so you can optimize conversion rates. Kajabi's pricing and plans. Kajabi offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The free trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Kickstarter, Basic, Growth, and Pro plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited email, reports, and marketing tools. Pros: marketing automations that allow you to trigger emails or course offers based on course completion or inactivity. Built-in email marketing tools, so there's no need to integrate a third-party email provider. Built-in sales and marketing funnel software to drive more customer sales. Mobile responsive product themes that are readily accessible on all devices. Email analytics to track the performance of your email broadcast and marketing campaigns. Promotes community building by allowing users and customers to interact directly via in-course discussions. Kajabi, an AI tool that helps alleviate the complexity of creating an online course. Completion certificates without needing to use a third-party provider. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: unlimited landing pages and marketing emails are only offered in the Basic, Growth, and Pro plans. Conclusion: Kajabi enables entrepreneurs, influencers, and professionals to build and sell courses. The platform provides an excellent approach for its users to turn their ideas and knowledge into digital products that others can see. Users can design coaching programs, courses, podcasts, membership sites, communities, newsletters, and more. Kajabi enables organizations to collaborate seamlessly using a variety of content, products, and marketing tools, allowing administrators to focus on business rather than technology. Another significant feature of the platform is its smooth connectivity with payment processors, allowing businesses to receive payments more quickly and easily. Furthermore, the platform provides detailed reports that include customer progress monitoring and user forecasting analytics, allowing businesses to understand how their consumers are engaging with numerous courses in real time. Kajabi makes it easier to grow, reach, and manage subscribers by using customizable emails. Finally, users can utilize Kajabi to design completely integrated pages with customized themes and other components that best represent their courses. Kajabi is a content marketing system that offers individuals and SMBs a single and centralized platform from which to sell, market, and deliver product content. Incorporating customizable themes, a landing page builder, and video hosting, as well as integrated payments and an interactive in-course message board, Kajabi aims to provide users with a comprehensive yet user-friendly content marketing solution. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Kajabi. If you enjoy this Kajabi review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.